So, guys, this is my friend's. That's a bird, and that's my turtle on his back. And it's almost getting dark. It's about to rain, and I just posting on you this camera, and this is the best life I ever seen. Wait, don't move. Him walking. Guys, my turtle fell.
Okay, we're gonna end this video.
We go end this video. See you tomorrow. Have a good one.
This is what a short one, so we'll try to show you.
And then
Tomorrow.
click that sky button. Get a huge thumbs up. Click a sky button. Give a huge thumbs up. See you guys later.